Sige.
itong sukat ng mga ingredients. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam kung saan makikita ang
Ang totoo, nagulo na ko isabihan.
So ayan, isa lang na po natin.
Ako na. I will give it to you. You let me finish. Put it there on the Tupperware inside. Okay, next. Mix first up. We will put now the oil. Careful, ha.
Bago natin ilagay o isa lang ang steamer
May
basket.
put it?
Steam po natin ito ng 30
Yeah,
minutes in medium fire. Again,
It looks like water.
po ng malinis na tela.
Ina! Here! Ina!
Teaspoon vanilla.
The boot
Okay.
juice.
Mga in-steam. Mas maganda po ang nakapagod tela or yung cotton. Kasi mas absorb ng moisture.
I saw all of the balls. God, this looks like my mom is making a experiment.
Ayaw ba sabihan, anak magyan experiment, umaksumari. Just look, no need to talk extra thing.